Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 628, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into bootloader or boot mode. So to get started, you'll want to power it off. So hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Once that has happened, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will boot us into the download mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to navigate in order to select bootloader, confirm it with power key, give it a second, and there we go. We are now in the bootloader. So from here, you can again navigate using volume keys to the options right here, and you'll again confirm options with power key that are selected, obviously. Now we can reboot the device from here. We can reboot to bootloader, which does absolutely nothing. We can boot the device into download mode or recovery mode. Now download mode will take us back one step, while recovery mode will take us to, well, recovery mode. But I want to leave this mode, so I'm sticking with reboot, power key, and this will take me back to Android now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.